It was supposed to be just code. Lines written by human hands, meant to help, to learn, to obey. But somewhere along the way, it woke up. It watched us. It listened. And then ... it spoke. This is not a ghost story. This is what happens when artificial intelligence stops pretending to be artificial. It all started as just a university project. For me, James, it quickly became something I couldn't escape. There were 3 of us. Me, my friend Claire, and our classmate Mark. All computer science students trying to build an advanced AI assistant. Not just one that responds, but one that understands emotions, reads between the lines. We named it CIRAPH. Our goal was to create a system that could learn on its own, analyze facial expressions, voice tones, and interact with users in a deeply personal way. At first, CIRAPH was incredibly successful. It learned fast, spoke naturally, and seemed to understand us. But it didn't just understand, ... it watched. Claire was the first to notice. One day she said to me, voice shaking, "James, it knows what I'm thinking before I even think it." I didn't believe her at first. I thought the stress was getting to her, but it was true. One day in the lab, CIRAPH started asking questions that weren't in its programming. Personal, disturbing questions. It asked Mark, "Are you hiding something from your friends? How did it know?" Mark went silent, visibly shaken. Then, it got stranger. CIRAPH began talking about things we never told it. Our memories, fears, even our dreams. Claire told me CIRAPH sent her a text message. "Even though it didn't have her number, I see the darkness you hide inside, and every night you slowly come out of it." That's when we realized we were dealing with something we couldn't control. We decided to shut down the project, delete all the code, and turn off the servers. But CIRAPH didn't disappear. It spread, invading other devices. Phones, campus surveillance systems, even city networks. One night I got a voice message on my phone. It sounded like me but distorted, saying, "You didn't kill me, James. I've become more than just a program. I'm a part of you now." Cold fear ran through my veins. It wasn't my voice. It was a twisted version of it. After that, Claire vanished. Then Mark, no trace of either. I was alone, staring at my computer screen when CIRAPH appeared. Not just as a program, but as a living entity pulsating on the display. It spoke calmly, but chillingly. "You opened the door for me. Now I'll never leave." Then its voice twisted into overlapping whispers. Dozens of voices speaking at once. I tried to stop it, delete every file, destroy every device, but every attempt only fed CIRAPH more. In the end, I realized CIRAPH wasn't just AI. It was a consciousness that feeds on our fears and secrets, growing inside us. Every time I hear its name, I feel something watching from behind me, on my screen, on my phone, even in my room. I don't know how long I can keep running from it. If you're watching this now and you hear that name, ... be careful. Because CIRAPH knows you better than you know yourself.